Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is just a quick test of this Opolar duster, the sort of lithium ion powered, because what happened is I bought one of these. Well, I didn't buy it, but someone gave me one of these, and it's like a power duster. And the thing is, it's high power and it's quite big, but what happens, two problems with this. A, you can't spray for long, or you can't put the air out for long, because what happens is it gets cold, and once it gets cold, the pressure just disappears completely. So even if you find that the pressure at the beginning is better than with this, after about like 10 seconds, this just kills this, and then this just becomes useless. But anyway, so I'm going to be just showing this, using it just to blow out this the dust from this old iMac. So we'll just see how it performs. Okay, so just give it a quick dust over. Let's see what happens. So the first one's on low, so let's see what low does. I think that was pretty good, so let's see what high does now. I think that was okay. Not too bad, because the good thing about that is, yeah, there might be a few little bits of dust left, but you can just get that off with a cloth. So I have to say that this little, yeah, I'm not going to do like an in-depth review or anything about this, because other people have done it, but this is just to show that this is definitely a better alternative to these annoying cans. And of course, it's better for the, better for the earth, as they would say as well. Because obviously they try and get rid of the fluorine, but because they have methane in them, now you're at risk of blowing, if you put it near a heater, the can blowing up. So one thing's for sure, at the risk of the can blowing up, let's see what it says. Oh, actually, it does say it's non-flammable. So I suppose that's not so bad. That, yeah. Alright, so it looks like they've sorted out the flammability part. But one thing's for sure is that when it loses pressure, it really is a waste of time. And at that point, you might as well just think, oh, this is the other thing I forgot. This can will set you back £20. And this cost me £100 and something. So after 5 cans of this, one of these, and you just charge it once, and that's it. You've saved. You got your money back. Well, not got of course you can't get your money back, but that's how much you will have saved from using this instead of one of these waste of time cans. But let me just check again. Yeah, I'd say. And let me just do a quick test of the brush. Let's just see how, because it's also got a vacuum mode as well, because you see at the moment it's turned to one side, right? So now you see that little mark is over to the vacuum side now. So what you do is now you just put the attachment on the top. Right, let me just do that. Actually, let me just do a quick test to see if this is any good. So I'm just gonna be back, and I'll just get something. Yeah, let's give this a quick test. Just hold on. Okay, so now I'm gonna see how well it can suck this lot up. Admittedly, it was bigger than what we'd normally be trying to suck up with it, but let's see how it performs anyway. what to say. It looks like it's done a really good job. Well, so there you have it. All I can say is, see, there's all the rubbish it sucked up. Well, so it looks like it's really destroyed the competition, because as we know, a £20 spray duster isn't going to be able to suck up, £20 spray duster. It's not going to be able to suck up, any like food or mess from any kind of a surface. So I think this is a clear win for this Opolar duster. So yeah, if you got enough money and you do this sort of thing regularly, cleaning stuff up, dust up, and having to dust out machines, etc., then I think it's a clear win for this over one of these expensive cans. Even though the can might initially have more pressure than it, but the long-lasting nature of it, I think it just really kills off these, using one of these cans now. Alright, well, looks like the camera's getting a bit upset, but anyway. Alright, so that's the end of that.